Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, Umusa posted this picture of himself and he captioned it, "God give me strength as I go to bed." Now, most of us were wondering, Uti, strength is sani, because I mean, it's kind of weird for a person to ask for strength or ask God to give them strength before they go to bed. It's normally the other way around. You ask God for strength for the day because we are dinga mandla. But there was a comment that I saw and I'm like, this comment, I was thinking the same thing. And I'm sure some of you guys were thinking the same thing when you read this caption as well. This person says, uzolala pikana kuze sikuthandazise, and know how much strength we must ask for from God. I loved you guys because I also saw some people saying, hey, if we yolala washiba, say, listen, I because you are going to need all the strength if you are going to sleep kwamayeni, because listen, that woman will question you now we as ukuthi plan yakho beyithini when you came to that house or whatever the case may be. If you're going to Mangwape, maybe angazi you guys, but I'm just like, shame. Umselegu, he's going through the most, you guys. Some people even questioning ukuthi, guys, does Umselegu really run his own Instagram page? Because sometimes the things he puts, I think it's one of the two guys, either number one, Gempela, he put that there because he really does. He's in a stage where he feels like God, kuningi ngiyiwani, well, awukho yiwani, nibaningi, kuningi, and like, I'm just feeling overwhelmed. Maybe, guys, he did go to bed really feeling overwhelmed and feeling like he needs strength from God. And he just felt like Instagram is a place where he could, kind of jot down or type out what he's feeling at that point. Either it's that, or either number two, he's banking on the fact that some of us are really feeling sorry for him by putting this out there. Or maybe he's trying to create much more content for the show or get us talking. Aside, you guys, I really wish sometimes I could get into that man's mind and see the way he thinks, you guys, because sometimes I'm just like, I don't know where to be. I feel sorry for you, but then when I'm feeling sorry for you, you go and say something and I'm just like, I am not feeling sorry for you. Like, I don't know. But according to what we get from the wives just give it off or give off the energy ukuthi lo muntu ungumuntu othanda attention. We are Tandy attention. He likes getting people like worked up or getting people like asking questions about the stuff that he says. So as you guys uthulele kanjani umselegu, because he did post this last night. I really do hope ukuthi get the strength he was asking for ukuthi watholile amandla, because yay, hi, kuningi bandla, guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.